to all my lovely children. I welcome you all again to today's online classes. Hope you all are staying at home healthy and you all are preparing for your examination well. Today we will be revising our chapter 4 subtraction, which is one of the syllabus of your exam. So let us see this MCQ pattern. Our chapter 4 subtraction, we will do revision now. First question, this is based on your MCQ pattern, multiple choice questions. First question, if we subtract 83 from 94. Children, one thing you have to understood that subtract, symbol of subtract is this. This is called as minus. Okay, symbol of subtraction is like this. You have to make, and this is also called as minus. Here we deduct the numbers. Okay, here we have to deduct the numbers. This is just the opposite of addition. In the addition you used to add the number and the symbol is plus, but subtraction is opposite to addition. Addition we will add, and subtraction you will deduct the minus the numbers. And whenever from is written, FROM, that means after the number from, after whatever the number is written after from, that you will take first and the rest number will be taken as a second. Again we can see the second question, children, from is written, the after from whatever number is given 68. So 68 you will write down first and the second number will be this one. Okay. And one more thing you have to see, always write the greater number above and the smaller number below and then do the subtraction. Clear? Always write the greater number and then write down the smaller number and then do the subtraction. For example, I ask you to do subtract 8 and 9. Children, you have to first see, compare the number, which one is the smallest or which one is the greatest. Which one is the greatest number? 9. So 9 you will write down first. Then the next number left is 8. 8 you will write down below 9. Put the symbol of subtraction like this and do the subtraction. Okay. First see the number, compare the numbers. Then write down the greatest number. Then write down the smallest number and then do the subtraction. Okay. Clear, children? Now we will see first question. 94 is written and 83. So let us do. Give the place value like this. Okay. 94. Write down 4. Then 9. Clear? Left out number is 83. We will write down 3 and then 8. And what is the symbol of subtraction? Put that one. Okay. And we will do the subtraction now. So children, starting from the one side, then tens place, and if hundreds place is given, then we will do. Here no hundreds place, so leave up to tens place. Let us do ones place, 4 minus 3. That means you can count by your fingers or you can do by using sticks. First number is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have to deduct how much? 3. Deduct it. 1, 2, 3. You have to cancel out. How many sticks left? 1. So our answer of 4 minus 3 will be 3. 1. This one will write down under ones column like this. Again coming to the tens column. Place the 9 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this. Okay. Then what's the next number is 8. You have to cancel the 8 sticks. Let us do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have cancelled out the 8 sticks from the 9 sticks. Okay. Then how many left is? 1 is left. So 1 is the answer of tens column. Write down in the tens column 1. So our answer of 94 minus 83 is 11. Let us see whether 11 is given. Yes, 11 is given. So we will put a tick mark like this. Clear? Now let us do the second question. Read with me, children. Subtract 37 from 68. First compare the numbers, which one is the greatest, or else from is given. So whatever the numbers given after from. Okay, that one you have to write down first. Let us see tens and ones. 68, 8, 6, like this. Okay, the next number is 37, 7, 3. Okay, place the number like this, put the subtraction sign and let us do the subtraction. Starting from the ones place, what we have the number is 8 and 7. So you have to deduct 8 and 7. Place 8 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this. Okay. Then we are having 7. That means you have to deduct 7 sticks from the 8. Let us do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have deducted 7 sticks. Then how many left is? 1. So 1 we will write down ones column. Then tens column we are having 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then how much to deduct? 3. 1, 2, 3. We have deducted 3 sticks. How many left is? 1, 2, 3. We have left out with 3. So this 3 will write down on the tens column like this. So our answer of 68 minus 37 is 31. This 31 do we have in the answer option given here? Yes, we have this 31. So we will put a tick mark like this in the answer of second question. Children, understood now? Now let us see 51 minus 38. So children, let us do the third question, 51 minus 38. So we have written tens and ones. Then 51 we have to write down first because 51 is the greatest number. Then we have to write down 38. Okay, written, put the subtraction sign. Now see, in the ones column we are having number 1 and 8. Which one is greater, 1 or 8? Compare both the numbers, which one is greater? 8 is greater now. So 8 is greater. So from the 1 sticks we can't be able to cancel 8 sticks. Okay. So in this case, first number we are having smaller and second number we are having greater. So in this case you can't do the subtraction. So children, do you remember in the classroom also, if you are not having any pencil, then you take from another student, you borrow from another student. Remember, you take your pencil with the exchange, you take from your neighbors, you take from your friend. The same way here 1 is less, 1 tens is less. Okay, we can't do subtraction. So this one will borrow, will ask tens to give 1. Okay, he will this one place will ask from tens. So now this will become as 11. How? See, already 1 10 is there. This 10 will give 1 tens. 1 tens means 1 and this tens. Okay, so 1 and 10 together will become 11. So our new number comes is 11. Okay, if this 5 has given 1 tens to this one, okay, it has donated once. It has given 1 chocolates. For example, 5 has given 1 chocolate to one's place. Do it will have the same number of chocolates? No, now the number will be lesser. So it is having 5 firstly, then it has given 1, then how many left is 4. For example, children, you are having 5 pencils with you. Your friend has asked 1 pencil, you have given to that friend. Then do you have the 5 pencils same? No, now. Then you will deduct 1 from the 5. You have the now number of pencil is 4. So our new number of tens place is 4. Do not see the previous number 5 and 1. Our new number comes is 11 and 4. Now we will do the subtraction from the new numbers. Children, starting from the ones place, 11 minus 8. Children, 11 minus 8, 3. Written in the under ones column. Then in the tens place we have the new number 4 and 3. You have to subtract 4 and 3. 4 minus 3, children, 1. So our answer comes is 1, 3, 13. I am repeating, children, again. See, first look what is the number given. Okay, 1 is smaller. So this one will ask something from the 5. So it now becomes as 11 because already one once was there. This has given 1 tens to it. Okay, then it now becomes 11. So our new number in this column came as 11. Then 5 becomes 4 because it has given 1 tends to 1. Okay, it has given. So it will remain now with 4. We will deduct 11 minus 8. Our answer comes as 3. 4 minus 3. Our answer comes as 1. The answer is total. We combine 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Where it is given, children? This one. Okay, we will put a tick mark over answer 1, 3, 13. Children, got it? How to do with the borrow concept? Let us do some more questions. Our fourth question is 66 minus 39. Then children, put tens and ones like this. Then our first question is 66, 6, 6. Then next number 39, 9, 3 like this. Okay, 39. Then put the subtraction sign. Now let us do it. Starting from the ones place, we have numbers 6 and 9. So which one is greater, children? 6 number is greater or 9th one? 9th one is greater. So in this case, it will not be possible to deduct 6 and 9. Okay. From 6, we can't do subtract 9. In that case, this 6 ones will borrow 1 tens. This 6 ones, what it will do? It will borrow 1 tens. It will borrow 1 tens. It means 1 tens. 1 tens plus 6. Understood? This 6 tens, it will borrow 1 tens from the 6 tens. Now 6 plus 10, how much? 16. So our new numbers in the ones place, our new number comes is 16. So we'll write down 16 as the new number. Then do this 6 tens will remain the same? No, it will not remain the same. So this 6 tens has given 1 tens now. So we have to deduct 1 tens. So 6 tens minus 1 tens. Now we have in the tens place we have the new number as 5. So our new number in the tens place is 5. So deduct 16 minus 9, 5 minus 3. Understood, children? This is the borrow concept. If we subtract 16 and 9, what answer will we be getting? If we subtract 16 and 9, what answer will we be getting? 5. 5. Do it again, children. Tell me what answer we will be getting after subtracting 16 minus 9. 7. Is it so? Okay. Then 5 minus 3, 2. So our answer is 27. Do we able to see our answer 27 in the option? Yes, it is there. So we'll put tick mark on the answer 27 and we'll write down in the box. It is given, or else just put a tick mark over the right answer. Now let us see the next question. 5. 389 minus 379. This number consists of 3 digits, ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So we'll put hundreds place, then tens place, then ones place. Our first number is 389, 9, 8, 3. Next number is 379, 9, 7 and 3. Okay. Put the subtraction sign and let us do it as subtraction. Starting from the ones place, 9 minus 9, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. 3 minus 3, 0. So, do not consider this 0. We will see the number 2 digits together. 1, 0, 10. So, our answer came here is 10. Can we able to find the 10th in the option? Yes, it is there in the option number first. So, we'll put tick mark over 10. Next question is 640 minus 549. Again 3 digit. Let us see. 100, tens and ones. Okay. 640. Then 549. So, how to do this, children? Can you tell me how to do this? Start from the ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place. Can we subtract 9 from 0? No, we can't subtract because 0 is the smaller number. So this 0 10 will take 1 tens. This 0 ones will take 1 tens from the tens column. That means from 4. This 4 will give 1. Then the new number will become 10. Because 1 tens means 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. So the new number in the ones place becomes as 10. Then does the 4 will remain the same? No. As this 4 has given 1 to the ones place. So it will become 3. Okay, we have written 3. But see children, can we able to deduct 3 and 4? No, 3 minus 4 not possible. Again this 3 becomes the smaller number. So what it will do again? It will take 100 from the hundreds place. See children, 3 tens. Okay, then it will take 100. So now the new number comes as 30. We will write down 30. Our new number comes in the tens place as 13. It has taken 100s from the hundreds place. New number is 30. Yes, we can do 13 minus 4 now. Now coming to the hundreds place, 600. But it has given 1 to the tens place. 600 minus 1, it becomes 500. So the new number comes as 5. Okay. Now we can deduct 5 minus 5. Let us do the subtraction. 10 minus 9. Tell me children, 10 minus 9. 1. 13 minus 4. 9. 5 minus 5. 0. So our new answer comes as 91. So now let us check whether it is given in the option. Yes, it is given the option 91. We will put a tick mark over this. Okay children. Now let us see 486 minus 305. 486 and 305. 486, 305. 100 tens ones. Okay. Let us do children. 6 minus 5, 1. Written. 8 minus 0, 8. Listen one thing. Whenever is subtracting 0 from the number, then the same number will be coming as the answer. Same in the addition. If we add something with the with 0, if we add any number with 0, we get the same answer. In the same way, if we deduct anything, if we deduct 0, that means we have to deduct nothing. From any number, the same number will come. For example, 49 minus 0, the answer will come the same number, 49. So in this case, 8 minus 0, 8 came. Then 4 minus 3, 1. So our answer came as 181. This 181, do we have in the option? Yes, 181 we are having. So we will put tick mark as 181 the option. Clear children? So children, now let us do some more questions. Here find 350 minus 25. So first we are having 3 digit, 100, tens and ones. Okay, 350, 0, 5, 3. Written. Then next number is here is see carefully 25. 25 is 2 digit number. So how you will write down? Start from the ones place. This 5 will come under ones place. Then 2 will come under tens place. Do not write this 2 here under hundreds place. This will come under tens place. And what about the hundreds place? Do anything more is given? No. So either leave the place or put 0. Okay. Subtraction sign. And now let us do the subtraction. Starting from the ones place children. What the number we are having? 0 and 5. But we know we can't subtract 0 and 5. We can't deduct 5 from 0. So in this case, this 0 will ask some numbers from the tens place. It will borrow. So it will now new number becomes as 0. 0 plus 1 tens. 1 tens means 10. 0 plus 10 is 10. So the new number in the tens ones place is 10. Now in the tens place we are having number 5. This 5 has given 1 to the ones place. So now the new number in the tens place is 4. This 4 is a new number in the tens place. Okay children, now we can subtract 10 minus 5 and 4 minus 2. Do not see the previous number, that is 5 and 4. See the new number 4 and 10. 3 minus 0 it can be possible, 4 minus 2 can be done, 10 minus 5 we can do. So let us do now 4 minus 5, 10 minus 5, 5, okay, 4 minus 2, 2, write down, 3 minus 0, 3. Okay, so our new number is, our answer came is 325. If we subtract 350 and 25, the number comes as 325. Do we have in the option? Yes, our option is there, 325. We'll put tick mark. Next question, find 89 minus 4. First, give the place value like this, tens and ones. 89, write down like this. Then what is the number? 4. This is not 2-digit number, this is 1-digit number. So this 4 will come under this tens column of ones place. Tell me, this 4 will come under tens place. Do not write down here under tens place, because this is 1 digit. 1 digit will come under ones place. Okay, and can you see any number in the tens place given here? No. So put 0 or leave it empty. Put the subtraction sign and do the subtraction. Starting from the ones place, 9 minus 4. What is the answer? 9 minus 4, 5. Then let us do the tens place. 8 minus 0, 8. So we have the answer as 85. Do we have 85 in the option? Yes, we have. Put a tick mark over the option 85. Now let us see subtraction 221 and 541. So children, both the numbers are given. You have to find out which one is greater. 221 is greater or 541? 541 is greater. So this number you will write down first. 100, tens and ones. Write down 541. Okay. And then 221. In this manner you have to write down. First compare both the numbers and see which one is greater. 541 is greater, write down that number first, and 221 is smaller, then that number will come as the second number. So let us do now the subtraction from the ones place. In the ones place we are having 1 minus 1, answer comes as 0. 4 minus 2, answer is 2. Then 5 minus 3, how much? 5 minus 2 is 3. Then this 320 is our answer. 541 minus 221, we get the answer as 320. So can you find 320? Yes, here. So put tick mark on the answer 320. Now in the same way, let us do the next question. Subtract 489 from 704. So children, see, already from is there. So what you have to do, after the whatever the number after from which number is there? 704. So this number will write down as first. Okay, written. Then we are having the second number 489. 984. Okay. Now let us do the subtraction. Starting from the ones place, we have 4 and 9. See children, again 4 is smaller than the 9. So in this case, this 4 ones will take borrow from tens. But here already 10 is having 0. That means this 10 is having no number. Nothing is there. So this 10 will ask from the neighbor, that is hundreds place. Okay. Firstly, this 10 will ask from hundreds place. So this will now become as 10. See, 0, 10 was there. It has taken 1 from hundreds place. So now it becomes as 10. 10 is it became. Now, but ones place has asked previously. Okay, this ones has asked from this place previously. So this 10 will not remain same. It has to give 1 tens to the ones place. So 4 will now becomes as 5. 14. 4 will now become as 14. because 4 ones and 1 tens. That means 4 plus 10, that becomes 14. New number on the ones place is 14. Then this 10 will remain same. No, it will become now 9 because 10 minus 1, 1 has given to the ones place. So it has become now 9 tens. 9 minus 8, yes, it can be possible. But this 7 will remain same. No, this will become now 6 because 700 was there. It has given 1 to the tens place. Okay, then this 1 transfer to the ones place. So 700 minus 1. Now the answer of 100's place is 600. 6 we have written. Now let us do the subtraction. 14 minus 9. Can you say 14 minus 9? 5. Okay. Write down. 10 minus 8. 1. Write down. 6 minus 4. 2. Written. So our answer 704 minus 489 is 215. 215. We are having 250. Yes, we are having here 215. We'll put a tick mark on the answer 215. Okay. In this way you have to do the question. So children, if the question is given to you 400 minus 0, then what the answer will become? The same number itself, 400. If 20 minus 0 is given, asked to you, then you will write down 20. Okay. Symbol of subtraction. What is the symbol of subtraction? This one. Okay. Find 900 minus 900. If the same number is given to be subtracted, then the answer will be 0. If it is asked 20 minus 20, then what you will be writing down? 0. So children, this is the way you have to practice for your pre-midterm exam. I hope you have cleared about multiple choice questions. In the same manner, practice for your examination. Thus our syllabus, I am repeating it again. Chapter 2, numbers up to 1000, and chapter number 3, addition. Chapter number 4, subtraction. You have to practice it in the multiple choice questions. I hope you have cleared this pattern. All the best for your examination. Do it in the best possible way, and if any doubts, then refer to our online videos uploaded in the website and also PDFs. Have a nice and wonderful day. All the best for examination, children. Do it well. Thank you.